Hi, welcome back to Rockin' A Adventures. I'm David. Today we're gonna try to install some chase lights on the Jeep. I got some off of Amazon. They're just some yellow lights. There's nothing fancy about them. So let's see what I got. Alright, so here's the lights that I got off of Amazon. Nothing fancy. They're just amber lights. I think you can make them flash or whatever, but I just want them to come on. I'm sorry. I'm going to mount the lights on this piece of flat bar, so we need to cut it to show the holes. So these slots here that came in my bumper are weird. I can't find any lights that fit it. So I'm going to put the piece of flat bar back here behind it. I'm going to bolt it to the bumper and bolt lights to it, and then I'll run the wiring. So I got two to make. So let's get started. There's the piece made. It's just sitting in there. I still need to drill holes here to bolt it to it, and then my light will sit right there in the middle. So after I drill those holes, I'm gonna make the other one, paint them, and then I'll install the rest of the stuff after that. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is mount this light onto the plate we made. They supplied a gasket here, so we're just going to feed the wires through. Alright, and we're just going to feed them through this hole we drilled. I didn't paint the back side because this is aluminum. It won't rust or anything like that. I want this side to look nice. Alright, we got them both mounted up. Now it's time to go put them on the Jeep. Alright, so I got the lights mounted in the bumper now. I think that turned out pretty good. So now I just need to wire them up to my SPod. So I'm going to work on that, and I'll show you that when it's done. Alright, got everything wired into my switch pod here. Go ahead and cover that up. Alright, let's go check them out. That's pretty awesome. Now I just need to figure out how to change the patterns. I'll figure that out. I kind of just want them on solid, but what do y'all think? Let me know down in the comments.